How to fix my order not showing on Flipkart. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Flipkart. Now once you are done, simply tap on the search icon and tap on Flipkart. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Flipkart. Now click on search and tap on Flipkart. Now click on force stop. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this will fix issue. Now once you are done, simply open up Flipkart. Now tap on cart to access your orders. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.